Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And oh my god, it's been so long. The last vlog was, I guess, a year ago or even more than that. I literally don't remember, but I kid you not, I missed vlogging because I just love YouTube. I just love long format videos. So here I am back again. Oh my god, feels so good to be vlogging again. So, here's a little information to fill you in. I'm in Rajasthan. It's been more than a week that I'm here, and it's very cold, man. It's January, end of Jan, and it's very cold. This is my ancestral home. I'm near Bikaner, and look who I have here with me. Muskan is also here. दोनों मज़े कर रहे हैं भाई हम लोग. अभी हम जा रहे हैं कहीं बाहर विथ आवर ग्रैंड माँ. उसके बाद हमारा शॉपिंग का प्लान है. लेट्स सी. ऑल्सो आई मेड अ जूड़ा बिकॉज यहाँ इतना ज़्यादा फ्रिक्शन होता है. ऑल माई हेयर स्टिक्स टू माई जैकेट एज इफ आई हैव यूज्ड फेविक्विक. इतनी गंदी हालत हो रखी है स्किन की, बालों की. भाई इतनी गंदी हालत हो रखी है, स्किन, बाल, सब. सो आई एम लाइक, no aestheticness, nothing. I'll just tie my hair up. And yeah, that is it. That was the biggest intro ever. My hand hurts, but see you. We have soaked the apple in warm water because can't have thandi apple. Muskan baked a cake yesterday, and now she is, as you can see, icing it. So satisfying. Hello. Today we're attending a wedding. Rajasthan winters is equals to weddings, weddings, and weddings. But I wanted to show you this nail paint. It's by Studio West. West Side is doing such good job with their nail paints. This is the shade I've used today. It's Sandstone Glow. Looks amazing. The formula is amazing. The shade range, oh my god, so much to choose from. I'm in love. But not this weather. Like, look. Wait, I'll show. It's so windy. भले ही उधर धूप है, but it's so windy that I can't stand outside at all. Guys, we are here for table tennis. Guys, we are securing some essential
क्वेश्चन है अंशु के लिए. अगर वो पैकेट 5 रुपीज का और 4 पैकेट ले रहे हैं तो कितने का होगा?
Is it 20? पागल लड़के. We are finally off to shopping. Oh, by the way, we got cutter. If you know, you know.
They
Yeah.
don't know. You have to explain them. क्या होता है बताओ.
This is a very nostalgic, क्या बोलते हैं इसे? Snack or chocolate,
Not
whatever. It's not a chocolate.
मुखवास.
क्या है? Can say. बहुत मस्त होता है यार ये. बहुत खाया हमने बचपन में.
टेस्ट लाइक कच्चा आम. आफ्टर
No.
टेस्ट.
आफ्टर टेस्ट यार, पहले एकदम चटपटा होता है, उसके बाद कच्चा आम. Shopping done. Now we're going to cook dinner. It's just me, Muskan and Dada बस. तो हम 3 जनों के लिए we'll cook some dinner. And उसके बाद तो फिर मज़े ही मज़े. Guys, the house is so cold. बस ये एक दरवाज़ा खोलने की देरी है. And then it's all warm and cozy. The sky today is so pretty. Also, it rained a few days back. तो ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. अब it is फिर भी bearable, but 2 दिन पहले तक it was freezing cold. Look at the beautiful tiles. इसको देखो, धूप में बैठ के चिप्स खा रही है. And look at this. So अच्छी धूप है इधर.
किधर?
इधर
मेरे मुंह पे आ रही है.
इधर थोड़ी कम धूप है.
थोड़ी देर बाद इधर.
My skin is not having a good time clearly, but one thing we do a lot is sunbath. So much. एक तो इतनी ठंड है तो धूप बहुत अच्छी लगती है. एंड बाहर आते ही धूप है तो दिन भर बस धूप में बैठे रहो. गेटिंग टैंड बट हु केयर्स, इट्स सो कोल्ड. So I'm planning to shoot a shorts video and look at this beautiful light. I'll be sitting over here and look at the light. So pretty. Okay, I just got done filming the video. Look at the lighting and the setup. It's so aesthetic and cozy. I love it over here, honestly. Except for the thund. It's so cold. Oh my god. I just saw the sunset from my window and came running to the terrace because wow, look at this. That over there is the sun. This is my look at night. I just came up to quickly clean my room because I didn't clean after shooting because I had to get dinner super quick. So I just left everything behind as is. So इसलिए अब clean किया है. And now हम ऊपर सब लॉक करके नीचे जा रहे हैं because हम नीचे सोते हैं. So yeah, Muskan is doing her skincare. Hi. Super foggy. Hi guys, totally forgot I was vlogging. Today's update is that it's Muskan's birthday. Yay. And she's right beside me. And we are at a restaurant. It's an early dinner today because we were craving something chatpata. So, and it's her birthday, so we wanted to, celebrate. And here she is. This is our view. This is our holy grail place to have ice creams. Chocobar, always. Even this is an amazing place. I love the name Dad Max. Guys, it is super bright right now. It is almost 5. After we are done with dinner, I just love to come up to the terrace and enjoy the sunset and walk, complete my last leg of work if I have anything left, honestly. Nahi to I just watch some YouTube videos or just randomly walk with nothing and just enjoy the views. Soak everything in because it's not every time that I get to see a sunset in Rajasthan, so I just love it over here. Guys, our partner for tonight, he is assisting us. We are waiting for that cow to pass because it looks very angry. चलो 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 कहीं और जा रहे हैं. बाय. हमको इधर जाना है. Hi, it's a new day, it's a new vibe. Today we're going for a lunch, and hence I'm wearing little traditional attire. And yeah, that's the update. I'll see you there.
यार
We're back. We're back. हो गया lunch. I'm enjoying vlogging. Birds. Hi. Look at this sunlight. Hi guys. I think I'm just randomly coming in the vlog all decked up. So today we're going for a reception party. This is my fit. This is my skin after a good sun bath. Bro, just get some sun. All your problems will be solved. What is this light? Professional light. This reflection is giving me such professional light quality. It's not the light directly, it's just the reflection of the floor. Yeah, that is it. That's about it for this vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. It is almost 5. We have dinner at around 5:36 before sunset. That's when our grandparents have dinner, so we just like to have dinner with them. Uske baad all the work is done, man, and I wrap my work, and then we just chill the whole night. We go to meet our relatives, cousins. उनसे मिलने चले जाते हैं, मस्ती कर लेते हैं, and that is it. That is all we do here. I hope you liked this little vlog of mine. I really wish to, hop back to vlogging, but this was a nice starter. Also, a very exciting week is coming up in February. It will be a family event, and I really wish to vlog. Let's see. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.